Rousseau coming back into the side brings a lot more experience to the box.
Yeah, Dani was very unfortunate to be ever out of the team due to his injury, but we all know the capability of Dani, and I think he's got a lot to offer to the team. Him being in the team is invaluable in terms of what he gives. He has this dynamic ability to run wonderful angles and also contributes very significantly in the lineouts. Another big option. So Dani, I think, is a big contribution to the team. What's also good is to see that we have a guy like Gio Embrun who was left out of the team, being back on the bench. So if he does get an opportunity, one hopes that it will come on and really show to all the viewers and all the supporters out there really why they hold him in such high regard.
And just the last question, obviously you've been in Springbok sides before that have gone through a tough time like this season, and how important is that after last week's win to maintain that momentum and take that another step forward?
Maintaining the momentum, I think, is key. It's essential. There's a saying that goes, tough times don't last, tough people do. And I think that is the sort of philosophy the guys must take. We have been going through a slump. We had a poor performance in the Tri-Nations, but I believe that we can make it better.